Part 2 of 45 money rules to live by. The brand name really matters. Turn good deals into great deals. Take advantage of tax loopholes. Achieving your first milestone is always the hardest. You can make a fortune with just one opportunity. You don't have to explain your financial goals to others. Follow the 20-80 rule. Money can't buy everything. Don't just keep your money in the bank. Bank can make money out of thin air. Borrow from banks and invest it to make money. Oh yes. Richer people get lower interest rates. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Live below your means. Pay your bills on time. Create an emergency fund. You should have money goals. Maintain your investing discipline. Review your investing plan very regularly and learn from your mistakes. If you need help, get in touch with me, lifestyletipsbyAntoaneta.com, and please don't forget to like, share and follow for more tips. I'll see you soon.